Well, that was the summer of '95. I had no money whatsoever. I was working, doing research in Silicon Valley on a completely different subject and trying to start this company at the same time.
Zip2, a California company that provides online access to information about cities around the country.
Approximately 2 years ago, I started X.com. I'm now called PayPal, is the #1 financial site in the world.
What do you see as possible 5 years from now, 10 years from now, 15 years from now, as viable space businesses that it's hard for us to see because they're not there?
You have the obvious existing business of satellites of one kind or another. You've got space tourism or space adventure.
It's been an elusive dream in space to create a truly reusable rocket, but that's what we're going to try to do with that.
That we will, particularly if there's a Third World War. And we want to make sure that there's enough of a seed of human civilization, ideally on Mars, because Mars is far enough away from Earth that we are building the first ship, the first Mars.
When you had that third failure in a row, did you think, I need to pack this in?
Never.
Why not?
I don't ever give up.
In the history of spaceflight, only 4 entities have launched a space capsule into orbit and successfully brought it back to the Earth: the United States, Russia, China, and Elon Musk.
The world has been under this illusion that electric cars cannot be as good as gasoline cars. What the Model S is fundamentally about is breaking that illusion. It's showing that an electric car can in fact be the best car in the world.
Despite a chorus of skeptics, Musk built a car company called Tesla.
Commuting. CBS This Morning's Gail.
So in my view, the only solution to urban congestion.
Formed the Boring Company, and about a year ago started digging the 1.2-mile-long test tunnel.
The advantage of solar and batteries is that you can avoid building electricity plants at all. So you could be a remote village and have solar panels that charge a battery pack that then supplies power to the whole village. And you need 100 gigafactories.
So 100 of these.
100 of these, yes.
That would make the United States.
No, the whole world.
The whole world.
The whole world. All energy.
That's it?
Yeah.